keywords like this, or what you can actually do in Google.
Hey everybody, this is Wakefield with another video, and what I want to talk to y'all today about is a fantastic place to get some good targeted quality traffic to your website. I don't know if you all know this place or don't know this place, but if you don't know this place, this place has so many people who offer good laser targeted high quality traffic. And we all know if you don't have traffic, you don't have any sales. And if you want to get some real good traffic, you just go to this site, register. When you register under my link, you're going to get a $5 discount on the first time you order some traffic. You go up here to find sellers. You go down. And it's just tons of people. You know, with all
that's an ad, so make sure you don't
with all
let me just have a look at one here.
Good expertise in generating traffic to your website. You can also click on solo deals.
Let's see what comes up.
You know, if you're looking for a good special and you just run it to whatever, offer that you promote or whatever opportunity that you promote. Like I say, you're going to get a $5 discount when you order. So it's absolutely free to sign up, but of course you got to pay for your traffic every time. But I mean, it's no fee to set you up an account, and then which is free, and then you just go find the sellers, solo deals, and place an order. I forget how long Udemy's been around.
Let me just go to here.
I've been with them a long time, and time going by so fast. I don't know. It's been some years now. I can't remember when they first started. I was looking to try to see at the bottom of the website when did they start. But if you want some good traffic, like I said, good high quality targeted traffic, these people are experts when it comes to traffic. So I'm not going to talk you to death, I'm just going to put a link below and just get you some traffic. So that being said, make sure you subscribe to this channel most definitely, and make sure you also click that notification bell, because I've been doing this for a long time, and you definitely want to see what else I got to come out next as far as videos. And also I'm going to put a link to my blog below as well, so you can see the other stuff that I got going on. So, but yeah, Udemy, you most definitely want to get you some traffic from there. Start making this money. Y'all have a wonderful day. Peace.
Something like ask me how I did it.